Friends, I'm here to give you the details of the batches that we are going to have in this 2021. Regular batches that we'll have for 2022. One we'll have in April, and after these batches completed in 4 months, then we'll have in August. In April, we have 3 batches, 2 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and same is the case with August also. And for the first time on experimental basis, one morning batch we'll have bilingual. There are people who find difficult in understanding in English only, or there are people of Hindi medium background and they want to opt in Hindi, but they cannot understand fully. So for the first time in April we'll have, if we think things are doing well, we may continue thereafter also. Otherwise, that will be only one batch in April, that will be a bilingual batch. And in all those our regular batches, we have classes thrice a week, either TTS or MWF. And on Sunday, all those classes, those are live classes. And all those classes, these are repeated, videos are repeated, recording is repeated on Sundays. That will be for April. But one thing may be there. Till date we have lockdown in Delhi. But if lockdown is fully lifted, then in April batch we will have, presently we are having live online classes, but then we will have live classes offline, and that will be relayed to the online people as well. Fine. And the batch for which I am concerned right now, there were many people who changed their optional, or those who told that they are thorough with their general studies, but they feel handicapped in their option. And because our next batch is in April, and that is for next year only, people of this year cannot. So we decided to have a batch in February. This batch will be around 70 to 75 days. The difference is because in those April and August batches, or our regular batches, we have thrice a week. But in this batch, we will be having 6 days a week, except for physical anthropology. Physical anthropology we will have thrice a week, because most of you do not have any background in bio, so we have to move slowly. Timings most likely will be 9 to 11 or 10 to 12. Only one batch will be there. But when we say 2 hours, actually that continues up to 3 hours. So if you are in job, I wish that you take leave and then you prepare. And if you are confident about your general studies, that means that you can give a lot of your time to anthropology. Preparing in that short a span will be really difficult if you are preparing individually. And what we do is that we make groups of students so that they can share their answer writing, so that within the time limit only all of you can be ready with that. That strategy we will discuss when we start our batch. But as we have announced in our ad also, only if you are confident about your general studies, please only then you join this February batch. I don't mind there may be 50, 60, 70 students. Number is immaterial. But if you are thinking that you can do it, GS and Anthro both, highly mistaken. My experience is the other way around. So be sure that what we can do is that tests we can have after the prelims. You cannot have tests right now, because that way you will be risking your prelims. So we'll finish our answer writing and classes in April. most likely by 20th of April or so, and so that you have more than 2 months to revise your general studies also. But again, I request only those please join who are quite confident about their general studies. The details about admission, these will appear on our website by tomorrow or day after. The way we have been having admission previously also, by token, the process will continue. And this time the benefit is that even if you delay your admission, I wish that you take immediately, because then we can have an introductory class as early as possible. Because I don't expect many students to join. So you can ask the admin whether there is any possibility of submitting the fee in a day or two. Hopefully it will be there, but better would be the moment you get the token, you pay the fee. Fine. And for any other query, you may talk to the admin. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me also. But after visiting the website only, please, then only you call. Fine? Okay. Thank you.